Let's say you finished making your scan and you've optimized it, and you're happy with the results, but there are some points you want to leave out when you finally go to export it. As you can see here, we have some unneeded points on the outside that would be better to be removed. If you hit the pencil button labeled Edit, and you hit Cropping, you can go into the Crop Hide feature of Dot3D. By dragging the corners of the box where the circles are over the points you want to remove, hitting Select, you can hide or remove them. In hide mode, when they're highlighted blue, they will be hidden from your scan, but still exist when you go to export. If we go back into cropping and change to crop mode, and instead highlight the points, they will show up as red and will be removed when you go to export them. Additionally, if you want to unhide or uncrop something, you can select it with the box and hit deselect. This will undo both cropping and hiding. If you would like to remove everything except an area, you can highlight the area you want to keep. Let's just pick this rectangle right here, hit select, and then hit invert. This will select everything except that area, and when you hit apply, all of the other things will be either cropped or hidden.